Hey everyone, welcome to Earthling Cooks. Today we're going to make an awesome waffle breakfast sandwich. Super fast and simple to make. All you need is a waffle maker, you need some waffle batter, you need some meat, and if you use pre-cooked meat, you can just throw it in, but if you use some bacon or something, cook it first, but you can use any meat you want. Some cheese and some eggs, get them whisked up, just one egg. And then I like to add sometimes some sriracha or some maple syrup. So let's go ahead and show you how this works. Alright, so all we're going to do here is get our waffle maker going. Just spritz a little bit of no stick spray in there. This is just olive oil. We'll get our batter in there. You don't want to fill it all the way to the edges, just close, because waffle batter will expand some. Push down the middle a little bit. And now just drizzle your eggs all in the middle. It's okay if they leak around a little bit. Now throw your meat in and your cheese in. Close it up. Now my waffle machine says it's ready. We'll go ahead and take this out and give it a look. And here it is. Now I like to top it with some sriracha or maple syrup. This time I'm going to do some maple syrup. And let's go ahead and cut into this and see what the inside looks like. And there we have our final product. As you can see, all the meat and cheese and egg in there. Super tasty. You can eat it cutting it up. That's what I usually do because I put some syrup on top. Or you could just eat it like a breakfast sandwich and just eat it with your hands before cutting it up. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. This is Earthling Cooks. We'll see y'all later.